How you doing, guys? In this video here, I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I was able to acquire a $10,000 check in 2 hours by doing a wholesale deal. Now, I'm gonna show you this now. Here goes the check. Take a look at that check. That's a $10,000 check that took me 2 hours. Around about 11 o'clock a.m., I was signing the contract. Around about 1 o'clock p.m., I was walking out the title company with a check in my hand. Never swung a hammer, never painted a wall, never did a thing to the house. Zero, nothing to the house. And I want to show you guys exactly how I was able to do it. How I was able to do it, step-by-step instruction, how I was able to do it. I'm doing this for free, guys, not charging you guys a dime for it. Because I want you guys to know exactly how to go find your property, get on the contract, and make you up to a $10,000 check. But first, look at the quick video of me outside of this property.
All right, guys, Tony over here. Again, we looking at another property. First, before I even say anything about the property, just look at the neighborhood here. Look at this neighborhood, guys. Look at the neighborhood here. We got an A+ neighborhood. Corner lot property. I think that property is being worked on as well. But this is our property here. Look at this landscape here. Look at this property right here behind us. Corner lot, 2,800 square feet, 3 bedrooms, 2 baths. Now a house that big, obviously you probably can add another bedroom. But we'll leave that to the end. But we're out here today looking at this property and deciding which route we want to go. And the routes we can go is pretty much endless when it comes to this property. We can go left, we can go right. And overall, I think we got the comps that's gonna justify a good, solid price. Now the roof looks good, that's A+. Everything else gotta check out when it comes to foundation and when it comes to the units inside. So those things have to check out to make sure that we got just a solid house, and all we got to do is do pretty much the cosmetic work. So that's what we pretty much stand at this moment.
So as you can see, there goes the property. Nice neighborhood. That's probably a B+ neighborhood. Nice corner lot property. But I want to give you some details of this house. Now, I was contacted about this property at one point. Then I drove by and seen it as well. So I got together and got this done. Now this was our own market property. Now for you guys out there always talking about only the deals are off market, only the deals are off market, that just shows that you're not a great real estate investor. So deals are on market and off market. So found this house on market, got in touch with the people I had to get to. We made it out to the property. I even told the seller of the house where the numbers are going to be at, where you're going to flip the house, whatever the case may be. He was staying out of state. Pretty much did not want the house anymore. Had it in the market for a while, so you ain't got all this traction through your house and no one wanted to buy the house. But I knew exactly what to do it. Now, I had a few choices. I can take the house myself, buy it, put some money to it, flip it, and put it back on the market. But the numbers just weren't going to work definitely for me. Or buy, hold it, rent to own the house out like I do with my other property. Okay, wasn't trying to do that here at the moment here because we got projects. I had other flips and projects going on. So what I did, I got a one-page agreement, guys, and I'm gonna show you guys exactly how to do this at the end of the video. Got a one-page agreement, got that one-page agreement done, and I was off to the races. Now it's all about how, because if I don't take this property down, then somebody else can come in and take the property down, and I can make a $10,000 check in 2 hours. So guess what I did? I went on to the next step, what we call the paperwork trick. The paperwork trick. This trick is pretty much, it's not necessarily a trick, but when it comes to real estate, guys, you got to know how contracts work. You got to know how properties move from one person to another. It's all about agreements, guys. So that's a little thing in the contract called assignment clause. It's assignment, meaning that I can get something on the contract and I can assign it to someone else for a fee. That fee can be $1,000. That fee can be $10,000. Or that fee can be $100,000, depending on how good of the deal it is. so you can sign it over. So you got to have the right paperwork to sign over your rights and interests into this house. Remember, I never swung a hammer, never even painted one thing. But I had the agreement in hand to sign this property over to someone else. So I got the paperwork done. So the next thing I did, what I call my 2-hour sprint. Now I gotta go. I got my paperwork done. Now I gotta go get a buyer for this house. Now, when it comes to real estate, guys, I always say try to have buyers in your back pocket. People that you negotiated with on other deals, network with, whatever the case may be. So try to have other buyers in your back pocket. So what I did on here, I pretty much made it very simple. And that simple aspect of this is that I was able to contact 4 of my other investing partners and buyers inside this industry and say, hey, I got a property. Do you want it? I put together what we call an investment package. Investment package is when you just go down the list of the house, pictures, maybe some videos and some comps and some numbers, all these types of things, because I flip houses for a living. So I know exactly what needs to be inside these investment packages to send to the investor. Now, I put it to the investment package, email it off to them, test it to them, let them look at it. So by the grace of God, I was able to get my guy out there to that property that day. We seen it. He loved it. Went to the title company. Got it done. Actually, I was able to get it done. Now, look, I know that's a fast pace, but if you guys love that, definitely smash the like button. Do me a favor. Smash the like button if you enjoy that fast pace of getting a contract signed 2 hours previous and next 2 hours later trying to close on that deal. If you like that, definitely smash the like button now. Please do, because we want to show other people just because you wasn't rich, born with a silver spoon in your mouth, doesn't mean that you're not able to take control of your life by doing some simple stuff like this. Like I said, at the end of the video, I'm going to show you exactly how to go about doing this step by step, and all totally for free. So here we go. Now it's all about just finalizing everything, so you guys can know what you can do, okay, in this real estate industry. Now, I love what I do. Been doing it for 20 some years. I'm going to probably do it until the end of time. But my ultimate goal is to help other people. So the point of showing you the check is to show you that it's a real check. The point of showing you the house with the video is the point to show you we're out here looking at houses every single day, making deals. And then this last point is on you. There's nothing else I can do after this here. Now, what you can do, just do me a favor. Go in the comment section, just put wholesale deal. That's it. Or 10K. Whatever you want to put. Just give me a little comment on what you think about this quick little video. And the second thing you need to do, go into the description area. You will see the 10,000 K wholesale manual. It's totally free, guys. Click on the link, put your name and email address in there, and bingo, it'll be emailed over to you. And don't forget to check your spam. Sometimes first time emails come to your spam. And it's yours for free. It's a 30-page manual that I put together just for you guys to show you exactly how to do this. Again, not asking for opinion from you. Not asking for opinion. Just want to educate people and show them that you can do it as well. Hey, if you want to be able to get up to a $10,000 check by using my free manual, show you how to get an assignment fee just by going out there, finding properties and bringing them over to us and allow us to buy them, I will tell you exactly where to go do it. So, right here in the description over any video of mine, click on more and click on the link right there. Now you have your own copy of this book. How amazing is that? Get your free copy today. Now look, you can do this once a year. You can do it 10 times a year. You can turn it into a full-fledged business, or you can turn it into strictly a hobby. But this is here for you guys, man. Take advantage of it. It's not necessarily easy to do, but you gotta be able to take steps, okay? Take steps by liking the video today, putting a comment here, and also going into the description area and get it. The link is there. It's totally free to do, guys. I'm here to probably change lives. I love to hear back from you guys, maybe a month, 2 months down the road after you don't got 1 or 2 of these deals. Let me know your story. If you're able to get a wholesale deal, come back here, message me. Let's do an interview. Let's give them the Zoom call so the whole world can see that this stuff works. And I show you the check that it does work. You just got to go out there and take advantage of it. Not only that, finally but not least, This is the cooker. Hey, if you guys struggling whenever you find a property and you get it on a contract, or you just need a little bit of negotiating with it, even this idea of the PDF, you're gonna have a section on there where you can submit a property. Bingo, I buy it. I save you the headache from going to go look for anyone else. I'll buy it. So all you gotta do is find it, get on the contract. I will buy it. Okay? You guys have a blessed day. Let's take action. Do it now. 10K is right around the corner, guys. Do it now. Take advantage of it. Let's do deals.